So guys, today in this video we are going to review another very good product. Like this product is most popular nowadays, and I know you have seen lots of advertisement on your social media accounts and all. So you want to know, is this product legit or it's a scam, another scam? Okay, so after watching my video you can make your own decision, you should purchase this product or not. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you something like this website. This website, I really don't know what is the name of the website. Deep cleaning, they have provided their website name. This website is also selling same product. Okay, and this website is another one website. The website name is Bixian. I really don't know how to pronounce the word. This website is also selling same product, and this another website is also selling same product. The website name is BMNLAOPPLP. I really don't know how to pronounce this. Okay, so this website is also selling same product, and the same product is available on, you can say, on ebay.com. okay, and if we are going to talk about the product is easily available on amazon.com also. So there is a very big concern which website is legit and which website is scam website. Okay, so first thing I'm going to explain you, that is the website product. Okay, this product is easily available on amazon.com. You have to make a research and all. I will provide you link in our video description box. You will get same product in very low price on amazon.com, like $9. Okay, only on $10, but on the websites you can see the cost is too much, $39, and you can say $27, and you can say $21, because I'm going to show you something like you should purchase this product on this website or not. My dear friends, you should not purchase, because when you check the reviews on amazon.com, you will see the reviews are very bad and all customers are ratings are very bad, and you should not purchase this kind of product because this kind of product is not worthy at all. And on amazon.com you can easily return your product because they have provided good return and refund policy. And when you are going to purchase any product on these type of websites, you are not going to return your product, because these type of websites are providing drop shipping services, and when you place your order, your money will be deducted from your account. When you want to contact with the customer support team, they did not reply you at all, and you can't easily return your product because they did not provide any kind of contact information, and they did not provide any kind of return and refund policy. So my suggestion is only this: save your hard-earned money and don't invest any money in this type of waste products, because this type of product is not worthy at all. Okay, so hope you have understand my some points. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.